So that time that we and I consider that as a cultural responsibility. Magkakaroon tayo ng record, not just here in Kalinga, but in Cordillera and in the Philippines as well, of what we were raised on and how it made us who we are. Everyone here has their own true stories and should make the time to compile them. We need a record of our lives, we need our local literature, and we need to build our culture in arts, music, dance, stories, traditions, even our cuisine, manners, community, so that nobody can ever take it away from us.
Ito ang pahayag ng Kalinga writer na si Joanne Sagaok sa naganap na book launching ng kanyang mga obra na pinamagatang Folktales from a Kalinga Village, Stories from Kalinga Memoirs of a Village Girl at Ay Suwan noong March 22 sa Kalinga State University. Tubong Upper Umalubwagan si Ginang Joanne at naging inspirasyon sa mga akdang libro ang kanyang paglaki, katuwang ang pagdinig sa mga kwento ng mga nakatatanda sa kanilang lugar. Naging bahagi rin anya sa kwento ang mga karanasan, karalitaan at hirap sa buhay sa kanyang mga akda.
I never felt our stories growing up were so interesting. It was such a hard time. Food was always scarce. To wake hungry was hard. To go to sleep hungry was even hard. Nothing of the time seemed great. But the more I thought about it, the more I realized that our stories are unique and that people were interested to know about them. And that despite the hardship, there was a lot of beauty, a lot of love, a lot of resilience and capability. We know how to endure, lalo-lalo tayo ang mga taga-Kalinga. We can get the job done extremely well and with a lot of indigenous people ingenuity. So I started to write, and once the story started, they don't want to stop.
Isang self-published writer si Joanne, kanyang inilathala ang librong Stories from Kalinga, Memoir of Village Girl at Folktales from a Kalinga Village noong 2024 na napili ng National Book Development Board upang irepresenta ang Pilipinas sa 2024 Frankfurt Book Fair na itinuturing na pinakaluma at pinakamahalagang plataporma para sa international publishing industry. Umani rin ng papuri mula sa National Commission on Culture and the Arts ang librong Folktales from a Kalinga Village at ginawaran ito ng 2025 competitive grant.
Yung book po natin ay we received some good reviews, and Folktales from Kalinga Village was also given a grant from the National Commissions of Culture and the Arts. Since then, it has been a busy time for us, as well as putting into action the newest work, Suwan.
Ang kanyang pinakabagong librong pinamagatang Ay Suwan na isang children's book ay binubuo ng mga kwentong nakatuon sa buhay ng batang si Suwan sa Kalinga.
Actually, Suwan is a dialect natin sa Juan or John. Suwan is sweet and enduring, and he makes so many cute mistakes. But that's okay, We all learn at our own pace. Katulad po ng ginawa ni Suwan. When I found out Suwan, I made an appeal sa Facebook calling on Kalinga artists interested in illustrating this children's book. So nung nag-post po ako, madami pong nag-response, I realized ang dami palang artists sa Kalinga. They showed me their works, and then nung nakita ko yung kay Ma'am Ida, sabi ko, ito na, siya na yun.
Si Ida sa nasabing kwento ay ang kanyang illustrator na si Ida Marie Buen, isang Kalinga artist. Ayon kay Joanne, kanyang ipagpapatuloy ang paglalathala ng mga kwento sa pamamagitan ng kanyang mga libro upang maibahagi sa mundo ang mga kwento at kaalaman ukol sa Kalinga at manatiling marka ito para sa mga sumusunod na henerasyon upang gumawa ng sariling akda.
My stories began to speak through me through the years, and they took on a life of their own. And there are more to come, and hopefully you will continue to support me. These stories give you pride and happiness, and I am more delighted when readers find the same joy and happiness and satisfaction. It's also about reaching new readers who don't know anything about Kalinga or our costumes, history, experience, knowledge, capabilities, community. And it's also about building a foundation for Kalinga culture and knowledge so that it will never be erased from the world. Actually, that's our goal.
Samantala, naging bahagi rin ang mga libro ni Joanne sa katatapos lamang na Philippine Book Festival sa Manila noong March 13 hanggang 16 at naging kabilang din ang mga ito sa DepEd Scoping Program para sa mga bagong learning materials ngayong taon. Si Joanne Sagaok ay nagtapos ng Development Communication sa Kalinga State University noong 2012. Kasalukuyan siyang nagtatrabaho bilang enlisted service woman ng Philippine Air Force sa Civil Relations Service ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Matutunghayan ang buong kwento ni Joanne Sagaok bukas sa programang Magandang Tanghali Mayor, alas 12 ng tanghali hanggang 1:00 ng hapon. At yan ang balita para sa oras na ito. Ako po si Reddy Retotal. Taguig City News Break.